and it was like 85% yes. And it caught my eye. Polymarket's going to launch, relaunch, I guess, because it got shut down at one point, but it's going to launch in the US within days. So they're coming on board. And again, it's something that we're going to keep referencing because number one, it's fun. But number two, it's where you can gather information to make some ideas and make some trades and get your information on just the world and the markets. And I'll tell you what, fellas, I actually had I should have put it in our group chat with Cayman, but I was on Polymarket and I just randomly caught odds of Nike earnings to beat. It was like, will Nike beat earnings? And it was like 85% yes. And it caught my eye. I was like, man, the stock's been getting like just absolutely crapped on recently. And oh, Nike's dead. There's Hoka and Brooks and all these other, brands that are taking over the space. And I'm like, yeah, everybody on TV just says sell Nike, sell, sell, sell. And I caught my eye like, wow, there's a lot of people planning on like a little, and you don't know, just because Nike would beat earnings doesn't mean that the stock's going to go up. I was like, well, what if I take a couple $100 and buy like a short dated option just to play this? And so I did it and it ended up working. Nike beat and then the stock popped 5%, but with the options, it ended up being like a 40-50% win on a couple $100 bet. And so again, using information you found on Polymarket, you might be a little too late to that trade per se, but then take that information and, plan a different trade around it in the markets. And so again, a very, very small win, but I thought that was a fun, like, man, this is how you could use that information.